what exactly is a Graha? We often hear about the Navagrahas, but are Grahas and planets really the same? In modern science, we talk about planets that orbit the Sun, but in ancient Indian thought, Graha meant something deeper, something that influences life. Let's explore that makes a Graha so unique. The word Graha comes from Sanskrit. It means that which grasps, holds, or influences. So, a Graha is not just a physical body in space, it is a force and energy that influences life on Earth. The ancient Indian sages observed the sky carefully. They noticed certain celestial bodies that affected light, time, tides, and even life itself. These were called the Navagrahas, the nine influences: the Sun, the Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu. Together, they represented the visible and invisible forces that connect the Earth with cosmos. In astronomy, the word planet means something different. A planet is defined as a large body that orbits a star. It has its own gravity and it follows a fixed path around the Sun. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. This definition is purely physical. It talks about mass, orbit, and shape, but not about influence or energy. So, while a planet describes where it is, a Graha describes what it is, what it does. Out of all the planets we know, only 5 are considered Grahas: Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn. Why not Uranus, Neptune, or Pluto? Because the ancient system was based on influence, not on visibility or distance alone. The outer planets are very far away, and their gravitational and energetic effects on Earth are extremely small compared to the inner planets, the Sun and the Moon. Only those celestial bodies that showed a noticeable impact on Earth's rhythm, on tides, light, and magnetic fields were given importance as Grahas. That's why Navagraha system focused on the energies that truly affected life on Earth. Now, what about Rahu and Ketu? They are not planets at all, but mathematical points in the sky. They mark the interactions or intersections where the sun's path and moon's path cross each other, and at those points, eclipse occurs. The sages understood that these points had a real influence on light and time, and they called them shadow graphs. So, Rahu and Ketu represent invisible forces, not material planets, but cosmic interaction of shadow and energy. Let's sum it up clearly. Graha means that which influences, planet means that which orbits a star. Grahas are about energy, effect, and connection. Planets are about structure, motion, and mass. Grahas are Earth-centric because they define from the perspective of their effect on Earth. Planets are Sun-centered because they are defined by their motion around the Sun. So not every planet is a Graha and not every Graha is a planet. The ancient Indian sages saw the universe not just as an empty space filled with matter but as a living system, a network of energies and influences. A planet tells us where it is, a Graha tells what it does. That's the real difference. That's the brilliance of ancient observation. Stay curious and keep exploring.